Hi, my name's Chris Galvin, and along with my brother Paul Galvin, we own Galvin Engineering. At Galvin Engineering, we're passionate about providing water solutions for a healthier environment. Today I'm here to talk to you about how we ensure that every day we provide premium quality specialised taps for the mental health, correctional and health markets. Firstly, as a company, we're certified to both the ISO 9001 quality system and the ISO 14001 environmental system. This means we have world's best practice management processes in place, which helps ensure we deliver reliable products in a safe and environmentally effective manner. Secondly, we've been designing and manufacturing plumbing products for over 80 years and currently hold 8 water marks and 4 standards marks, from specialised thermostatic mixing valves for hospitals to firefighting equipment for schools. It's important to note that being compliant with the watermark scheme ensures our products meet the current requirements of the Australian Drinking Water Guidelines and the Plumbing Code of Australia. Finally, every product we make goes through a controlled manufacturing process and a strict quality control regime in the Galvin Engineering Test Laboratory. Here is our 4-step process of continual improvement. 1. Components and raw materials are inspected on arrival. 2. Work in progress is inspected throughout production. 3. Finished goods are subject to pressure testing and a final inspection. And 4. Any customer complaints are quickly acted on to ensure any issues are resolved and improvements can be made to our products. We would love to work with you on your next health, education or correctional project, so please don't hesitate to contact us or to visit our website. Thanks.